Yo, 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 yo. So we're there with part second, So let's jump straight to the one here. In not the first part, I mentioned say yo, be careful how you treat your fiance bro, cause you don't know. The British, you're British citizen, and the British them not ramp with them citizen. Whether them born in England or not, once I'm a British citizen, the British government I go put them first all the time. So be careful, remember he's an international star. Anything I do, I go viral, especially in these times. So be careful, my bro. Don't armor in a no farmer way. You understand? Well, let's jump into this one here and see what go on. Part second to the interview.
Kartel big and bad back in the day. But what about now? Can the world boss regain his crown in a changed musical landscape?
Never lose it.
Many to society me, to me no live out them want me to live.
13 years, a long time in anyone's life.
True.
13 years in dancehall, a lifetime.
True.
Can you still be the man, although the sound of the music has changed?
Who are going to take it from him? Who are going to take it from him? Tell me. Who are going to take that from him?
Can you still be the man, although the sound of the music has changed?
Yeah, the sound of the music changed, but who set the trend? Think about it. Most of the youth them what you see now, them bleach out, them full of tattoo. Who that? A Kartel. Anyone me do a DNA right now, half a dancehall I might pick me.
I feel me. Yeah.
Them can't trick me. I remember we adapt, you know, because we always a change your style. We always a change your sound. You see when they walk out of prison in an orange kerchief, in that style, yeah. And right now kerchief raised from $120 to $1,000.
Me not buy none.
Just think about it.
And
we are the trendsetter from day one.
But the kids who always listen to you, they've moved on to other people though.
Yeah, they move on
Moved
becoming...
on to other DJs who have a different sort of vibe and flow.
Yeah, but think about this. If you go up on TikTok right now, who are the biggest trending artists? Vybz Kartel. Who run TikTok? The kids them. So you find you have some 15-year-old girl and some 16-year-old girl a dance to all. She said she want Shatta. She no want Harry Potter. Them song they are 20 years old, you know, Mr. Miller.
Long time song for sure.
Them song they are 18 years old, 21 years old. And that the kids them have vibes too.
Yeah.
Because if you compare me to the nowadays youth them, remember Vybz Kartel that same way the scale I got tilt like this. In the same way Bob Marley did from 1981, and when we look on iTunes, that him was his stay so.
To me, just like how Bob Marley was way ahead of his time, Teacher has been way ahead of his time since him forward out. That's why a song like She Want Shatta, She Don't Want Harry Potter, a song like that could have forward back on TikTok right now and viral and mash up the place. Like that revamped the whole song. So Kartel catalog has always been above our way ahead of his time for me. It's always been like that.
Same way Bob Marley did from 1981, and when we look on iTunes, that him was his stay so.
Posing.
So that's how it go. Good music can't dead man. Sure. And great man live forever.
So me ask you up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel.
So what did you represent to the system for them to view you as a kind of threat?
Them I say, me mash up the picnic them and I lead them astray. Some I say, me have too much influence. So me feel like it's a combination of that.
The influence.
It's not the entire system, you know. Because me not the system, because the system does work. That's how it go, you know. Same way them used to fight Bob Marley. And Bob Marley never sing a gun song yet. So it was never about the lyrics. Same way them fight Bob Marley, and he never do a gun song.
Bob Marley did sing a gun song, didn't he, guys? Didn't Bob Marley? I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot a gun song that him shoot somebody. But me understand what the teacher say still. Me understand what the teacher say. Yeah.
Same way them fight Bob Marley,
and he
never do a gun song. He never tell the girl them fi wine pan them head.
Skin out. Yeah.
So what them is a fighting for?
That's true.
It was always about the influence.
The influence, yeah, man.
Some people will take offense at the comparison with Bob Marley.
No man no more than a man. I can compare myself with all Jesus.
Yeah.
No man no more than a man. When you walk on the earth, you're no more than me.
Yeah.
What do you think you represent to the youth today?
Legend, uncle, Godfather.
Yeah.
You did go to prison for 13 years.
Even, all right, when Kartel did in a prison for the 13 years, 99% of interviews, Vybz Kartel name mentioned in some way, some shape, some form, somehow. When enough artists step on stage, majority of the artists them big up Vybz Kartel, free world boss. Like he's always been a talk about artists.
Godfather.
You did go to prison for 13 years, but the fascination preceded your incarceration. Why are people so fascinated by you?
Bobby
Because I do things my way. I think of that. In the same way when the system rise against me, I stand up on my 2 foot and I fight it. People respect the underdog who can fight back and win, you know. And people respect a youth to come different. So it's just a combination of a lot of things that make Vybz Kartel so appealing. Because remember, I stay a prisoner and sell gold and silver, you know. And get artists of the decade, you know. Which the decade they are prison me there.
You were busy in prison churning out music.
They want me to do Anthony Miller, I couldn't bake.
You couldn't be a musician.
So our music need to feel right too.
Yeah.
As the comedian say, you have to do a one line and a peep if nobody will come. Fever! And I look if the
Which comedian said that, dog? Guys, which comedian said that? Put that in the comment section for me there. Me not see that skit there, dog. I will say that.
You have to feel right too. As the comedian say, you have to do a one line and a peep if nobody will come. Fever! And I look if the
Yeah, that go.
You know, but yeah, man.
Plus, some people were on your side in the institution who were representative of the institution.
No, I don't know about that.
Come on, Anthony.
I don't know about that.
Did you have to hide and do it?
Yeah.
Of course. Anthony, me know you do your job and you got to ask a question, David. Come on, dog. Of course.
But you entered prison a star. Did you get star treatment?
Me never get ill treatment. Mr. Reed, you can't take on my phone again.
Mr. Reed at the prison, the top man at prison. Man say you can't take on phone again, brother. Yeah, I'm free, you know.
Me never get ill treatment. Mr. Reed, you can't take on my phone again. Big up still.
The return show, set to pull tens of thousands of Kartel-starved fans to his first post-prison performance. He says it will be in December. Or is that too soon? Mentions a couple names he'd want alongside him on that stage.
I like people still, you know. So, I don't know. Spice.
Like people
still.
Names he'd want alongside him on that stage.
I like people still, you know. So, I don't know. Spice.
Yeah, that must.
You know, Skilly Bang.
Are the offers coming in? Can you even take some of those calls?
Yeah, man, I take the call them. I love money. The first show I did.
Yeah, man, I take the call them because I love money. Of course. Chat, which artist would you guys love to see on that show? Bounty could have the on it. Of course, Bounty have the on it. Who else? I think TJ would definitely be on it. I think if Mavada could have fly out of Jamaica without any problems, he would be on it. Who else? Who else? Some guys, Popcorn would be on it also, I think. Who else? I don't know. Sean Sam, of course, but I don't know.
Even take some of those calls?
Yeah, man, I take the call them. I love money. The first show in December, Jamaica. We have Trinidad, we have Bahamas, and we are negotiate right now for Grenada and Barbados.
Caribbean, okay.
So we'll be spinning there like tornadoes. Well, I'm not give you the location, you know, but I think you know what the promoter. Can't go one man campaign, you know.
Joe Badanovich. Because we see Rona Downson right there, so 2 and 2 together. Joe, man.
What the location, you know, but I think you know what the promoter. Can't go one man campaign, you know, because it's a hefty sum. Yeah.
What are your expectations?
Mr. Miller, one thing I want to tell the people them out at the airport. I want to better build some more runway. Because you see that show ya, I think the venue will about 50 to 100,000 people. And I tell you, say, when the venue full with 100,000 people, I know say 100,000 people are go outside. And I not talk to them outside, I talk straight.
And those 13 years would have taught you what lesson in particular?
Time is precious. Don't play with it. And as much as you can, stay out of bad energy. Because sometimes you don't have to do nothing, you know. You can just step on a corner with your little school friend, you know, and you don't know your school friend a gunman, you know. And a man come and fire be a shot and you dead, all your school friend escape, you know. So as much as you can, you stay with a negative energy. And just know that time is precious. And when it's gone, you can't get it back. You know, that's the biggest lesson.
You have any political aspirations?
Well, one thing I know, if I run for MP, I can't lose. That's what I'm sure about. And I could leave it at that.
MP.
What would be the first thing that would occur to you to say to people based on the accumulated experience of 13 years in prison?
Time is so precious. You can't get it back. You can't get back money. Because I say, if I come from prison, the amount of money when I get back. Although I never broke, the amount of money I have to spend for fight that case. Yeah. As enough as it is, I almost make it back already. But to me, the money not even, I said just for even hold my granddaughter and my aunt and them things there. Them things right now important to me. Set me free. Hey, here. Y'all run down the Gaza youth. What you expect me to do? Love them, tender touch them, but I see them every day. I'm out.
Yeah, man, big up here, man. All right.
So me see up to the time, you know it's Kartel, representing for ER. It's been 13 years and they still know who we are. No?
All right, hear me say. My final opinion on the whole thing. Kartel, what I would like to see you do, you don't have to do this because you know you're one big man, you're going to do your thing. Stay off of the media somewhat. Like, don't do too much on the media. Don't do too much on the media. Allow somebody interview them. Stay exclusive until your show. Stay exclusive until your show. Yes, me know you want update your fans and Wagwan. Me want to see Wagwan. Others want to see Wagwan in a day-to-day life. Yes, we see a vlog channel and thing. Yeah, that's all good. But you also like stay even though you are exclusive right now. I would like you to just easy down on the thing. Focus on your health. Focus on your strength, getting back up to 100. Cure your disease, like you say. Fly, go overseas, whether Switzerland, St. Vincent, wherever you go for it. Focus on that. Focus on that. Lord, interview them. You see me? You see me? You don't have to do a bag of interview and tire out yourself and all of talking. You see me? But we appreciate stuff like this for get an update by why. So it's hard for him not to do the interview them when I do. It's hard for him not to see for the media because 13 years without them thing, him feel like he needs to catch up back, which we understand. But remember say, whatever happen, you are Vybz Kartel. You are a DJ Palmer. You see me? So just continue working on your health, bro. Low the alcohol. Yeah, low the alcohol because I'm sure your doctor would have told us that it's not for you. You see me? So yeah. Big up yourself. Addy, big up yourself, bro. And Gaza fans, them happy. They're back on the road, my fam. They're back on the road. Like you say, them the haters, them they were dead in a prison. That never go on. So just continue doing what you're doing, bro. And hopefully December we can get a big blood clot lineup on the show. That me I talk about. You see me? But yeah, this time I'm gonna leave that one still. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. As what Kartel say, I'm out.